Making custard can be very disappointing. I'm here to help you make the best custard and also give you the tips and the secret to making the best custard, okay? First, we are going to need our custard powder, and I'm using the brand you just saw. Just take some part of that into your bowl. Yes, this you have to use your discretion, okay? If you want a lot of custard porridge, then you have to add some more to it, or if you want lesser, just add little, okay? Just use little powder. And then you add room temperature water. It shouldn't be cold, it shouldn't be hot. Just use normal tap water, okay? Just a little, because you want this base to be thick. You don't want it too watery, okay? Too watery. It should be thick. And sometimes it will be difficult mixing here, just as you saw, but you can add some water to it. But in this case, I did not add any water. I just continue mixing until I get this smooth and at least this consistency, which is the best consistency for me. Now you just go ahead with your boiling water. It should be boiling water. It shouldn't be anything like hot water or warm water. Your definition for hot will not be my definition for hot. So to be on the safer side, make sure you are going in for a boiling water. That way you know you are getting the best out of this recipe, okay? I hope this helps you. You just pour it into it until it thickens. Then you go in with your spatula or your ladle, and then you just do it again. Mix it until it's smooth. If you realize it is very thick, just go ahead and take some part of your boiling water again and pour it in just as you saw in the other slide, okay? Yes, so this is the consistency which is so perfect for me. Yes, this consistency for me is perfect. If you do not like this consistency, you can add some more water, but I prefer this consistency because of the milk I'm going to be using. The milk I'll be using, okay? If you are going to use those canned ones, then maybe you have to go for some lighter consistency because they don't have a lot of water in them. Yeah, add any sweetener of your choice. I added sugar here. You can add honey. You can introduce some fruits as well. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and thank you for stopping by. If today is your first time, you are welcome, and if you find this video helpful, do not forget to click the subscribe button so you do not miss any video I post in the future. And also share your thoughts in the comments and like and share this video. If you are a returning subscriber, you are once again welcome, and thank you for always coming back to support this amazing community. So I use two different types of milk. I use ideal milk and the box pick milk, okay? So that is why I said earlier that depending on the type of milk, then you know you get your consistency right. So you can see after adding the milk, it's a bit lighter, and I prefer it this way. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Please stay safe and try this recipe and get back to me in the comments.